In this video we will see how to download and install ArcGIS Pro from your organizational account. First go to the browser and in Google you search for ArcGIS online and enter. You will find this link. Click on this link, says ArcGIS online. Click on the sign in button. Here insert your credentials. You can click on this keep me sign in button and click on the sign in. Now we are logged in to our organization account. Now in the top right corner you will see your account details. Click on this button and go to my settings. Here you will see your general information. Now click on this licenses button and scroll down. You will, if your organization have the license for ArcGIS Pro, you will see a download button to the right of this ArcGIS Pro option. Click on this download ArcGIS Pro button. And here you can select the language. Now let's click on the download button to download. This is the file we have downloaded. Let's double click on this. It may take some time. Here you will be asked to show a destination folder where the package should be extracted to. Later on you can delete these files because it will be only the extracted files. Now click on the next button. It will be extracted to our documents folder. Let's keep that and click on the next button. The installation files have been successfully extracted to our computer. Launch the setup program option is checked on. Now if we close, it will launch the setup program. Click on the close button. It says the missing prerequisite. That means it needs .NET Framework runtime. Click on this button to download that. We need to download the .NET Desktop Runtime 8 point something. So this is the option, and we should download the 64-bit installer. Click on this. And save. The .NET runtime is downloaded. Now let's click on this and install. yes. It will say that installation was successful. Now close this. Since it said that missing prerequisite, it stopped the installation process. Now you can exit this and finish. Now let's go to our documents folder. Here is our extracted ArcGIS Pro. Click on this, and now we can again start the installation process. Click on the setup and click next. Next. Accept the master agreement. Next. And again next. If you want to install the AI models and other things, you can click on this, but for now we can go for the basic mode. Click on next, and if you want to participate the anonymous data collection, you can check on this, or you can also uncheck these options. Click on install. Now since we have installed the desktop.net desktop runtime, so it will be installed without any error. Let's check. The installation process is going on. It will take several minutes based on your machine's performance. The installation is done. Now if you want to run the ArcGIS Pro, just click on finish. The ArcGIS Pro is being initialized. Here it will ask you to log in. Just insert the same credentials that you use to download, or you can use other credentials as well. We inserted our credentials and press the sign in button. The ArcGIS Pro is already opened. Click on the map to create a new map, and let's click OK to open a map. Now our new map is opened. Here you can do whatever geoprocessing task you want to do. All the setup has been successfully done. Thanks for watching.